What's up guys, it's Daily Space Observations and welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to show you what I do with my telescope on a cloudy day. But before that, I'm feeling a little hungry, so I'm going to make myself some breakfast. And I'm feeling French toast this morning, so let's get it. Now that my stomach is satisfied, I'm gonna set up my telescope and prepare it for outside, and in the process I'm gonna attach my phone to it using this. It's a Goski universal cell phone adapter for telescope eyepieces. If you want one of these, I'll link it down below in the description. With that said, let's get a move on. What a view. Alright guys, so now that I'm outside with my telescope, I'm gonna attach my phone to it with the adapter I already mentioned. So, I'm gonna do that, and then we can begin our terrestrial viewing. I guess that's the best way to describe it. Alright, so I have successfully attached my phone to my telescope, and as you can see, I have a pretty awesome view of, well, the entirety of what's around my balcony. So, I'm gonna start off with this cool looking street art I see on a building not too far away from here. There we go. Look at that. See what you can spot with the small telescope in the daytime? You gotta admit, that looks pretty cool. Let me just center on this. Perfect. Look at that. I'm not sure what that is. Let's just zoom in on that real quick. Yeah, I still don't know what that is. It looks like, I don't know, some people, they're wearing hats, but they look really happy, and that's good. Something else that caught my eye is this crane that is pretty far from my building. Now, what caught my attention is that light that you can see shining on it. I can actually see that light from here. That's how I spotted that crane. And if I zoom in, let's see. That's so cool. I can see like the exact point on the crane where that light is coming from. Now, maybe my eyes are tricking me, but could I see some like art on the crane? I don't know. That's probably just my imagination going wild. But, oh, and look, you can even see the birds there. That looks really cool. I could look at something like this for a while, I'm not gonna lie. And you can even see the cars in the background. Is looking into someone's apartment with my telescope illegal? Maybe. Does it look cool? Absolutely. I noticed this red looking dome that is also quite a distance away from my balcony. If you can see, you can actually look at the cars moving over there. That looks so cool. I like watching cars moving in my telescope. There's a truck parked in front of it. Behind the red dome or ball, there's some graffiti, which, illegal or not, I like that kind of graffiti. I think it looks cool. Anyways, yeah. It's a red dome. That's pretty much all I got to say about that. This apartment building looks pretty cool. I'm not sure if those yellow parts mean that it's under construction or if that's just the aesthetic, but my telescope is pretty good. You can see that bird over there, and you can even see one of the lights coming from one of the units in the condo building. There's no way I could see that with my eyes. So, yeah. A factory like this may contribute to global warming, but hey, at least it's a sight to look at. What I do next requires some pretty top-notch photo editing skills, if I do say so myself. Nah, I'm just kidding. All I do is use the photo editing tools that are on my iPhone. I don't think it matters if you have an Android phone or an Apple phone. I'm pretty sure they both have photo editing tools on them. I'm not sure though, I don't have an Android, don't quote me on that. But regardless, you can do whatever you want with this after. I don't really have a plan. I just did some stuff with it on my phone, like I increased the brightness or I decreased it. You know, I did some things with the contrast, the sharpness, the shadows. There's a bunch of things you can do. So yeah, just go wild.